Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action in gold, US dollar, currency pairs from the higher time frame to lower time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. When we look at the economical events plan for today is Thursday, May 25th. From 6 p.m. we have high impact news and medium impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs. Then again at 7:30 p.m. we have medium impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs. So we can expect lots of volatility during these news hours today. Let us look at DXY before going forward to gold analysis. So I am in daily time frame of DXY dollar index. And when we look at the past price action, this zone between 105.93 to 105.27 has been acting as a very strong resistance zone, and every time the price action tries to break this resistance zone, we have noticed a price action to make a bearish side trend reversal. So again, currently we are noticing the price action to take support around the support level of 100 and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And during this bullish side retracement also, we have noticed the price action to find resistance around the resistance level of 103.61, which was a previous support level, and currently it has given a breakout from this resistance level, and we can notice that it has formed a very strong bullish candle. So since the price action has given a breakout from this very strong resistance zone, we can expect little bit of retracement and then to continue with bullish side retracements. So overall, when we look at the price action or the trend in the dollar index in daily time frame, it is in a bullish trend for now, and we can expect it to retest on this resistance zone. Let us proceed with our gold analysis. I am in daily time frame of gold, US dollar, currency pairs, and when we look at the price action in daily time frame, previously it was in a very strong bullish trend, and this zone between 2066 to 2030 had acted as a very strong resistance zone, because we have noticed the price action to test this resistance zone several times, and currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. And when we ask the question whether the bearish side trend reversal has started, till the trend reversal has not started, because it is taking support on the previous support level, which was between 1968 to 1935. But in the lower time frame, we can say that it has made a trend reversal, whereas in the daily time frame, it has only made a retracement to the previous support zone, because the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend, and it is trading above this trend line or the support line. And only when the price action breaks this support line, we can call it as a bearish side trend reversal in daily time frame. So when we look at the support and resistance levels using the Fibonacci tool, so currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1968 and support level of 1935. And once this support level of 1935 is breached, next level of support is going to be around 1908 and 1865. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the current resistance level of 1968, next level of resistance is going to be around 2005, 2030 and 2066. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now, and currently when we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, it is trading in a bearish trend. We can notice that every time the price action tests this resistance zone, it has bounced back on the bearish side retracement. This bearish channel pattern is preventing the price action from going further on the bullish side retracement. And currently we can notice that this level of 1954 is acting as a very strong support level, because when we look at the past price action, this level had acted as a very strong support and resistance. So currently the price action is trying to breach this support level, and also I have drawn a trend line or a support line based on the past price action, and we have noticed the price action to respect this support line, and currently also we are noticing the price action to take support on this past price action, trend line or the support line, and to bounce back on the bullish side retracements. So overall, when we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, it is consolidating between this resistance line and the trend line or the support line, but it is narrowing down. Soon we can expect the bearish side breakout because the overall trend of the price action is in a bearish trend. And only when the price action breaks this bearish resistance zone and the resistance level of 20.06, we can expect the bullish side retracement to start in 4 hours time frame. It is under a consolidation between this resistance zone and the bearish trend line. Let us look at the price action for hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now, and when we look at the price action in hourly time frame, previously it was on a bearish trend, and currently we are noticing the price action to be trading on a sideways price action within this rectangle pattern. So for the hourly time frame, we have to wait for the price action to come out from this consolidation in order to enter into the direction trade on the bearish side or on the bullish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So currently the price action in hourly time frame is trading between the resistance level of 1967 and support level of 1954. And once the price action breaks the support level of 1954 and continues its bearish side retracement, next level of support is going to be 1946, 1935, 1924 and 1909 on the bearish side. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the current resistance level of 1967, next level of resistance is going to be around 1986 and 2006. For now, the current price action is consolidating within this rectangle pattern on a sideways price action, waiting for the depth ceiling issues to be resolved. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. As we explained in the hourly time frame, currently the price action is trading on a sideways momentum within the rectangle pattern, and the overall trend of the price action from the higher time frame, which is 4 hours time frame, is on a bearish trend, but we are finding a very strong support around the support level of 1954. Once the price action breaches this support level of 1954, we can expect a bearish side trend to start in 30 minutes time frame. And currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1954 and the resistance level of 1964. And if the price action breaches this current resistance level of 1964, next level of resistance is going to be around 1969, 1974, 1979 and 1985 on the bullish side. And if the price action breaches this support level of 1954, next level of support is going to be the trend line or the support line from the 4 hours time frame. Once the price action breaches this support level, we can expect the bearish side trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame. Please refer the hourly time frame levels for the bearish side targets. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.